Michelle here at vegan.com, and since school is now in session, we decided to bring you 3 easy vegan lunch ideas. So here's what they are. For lunch number 1, we're doing pasta marinara topped with some fresh cooked vegetables. This is super easy, especially if you had it for dinner the night before, and a classic to pack for lunch. Now we're adding some fruit. I'm gonna do blueberries topped with raspberries. And this container is super awesome. I found it at Target and it's super handy for packing lunches. So there we go, there's the staple of the lunch, but we're gonna add some extra snacks. We're gonna add some almonds to pump up the protein content. And then these olives, which are super great if you like olives. And then silk almond milk chocolate edition. So yummy. So here I am packing the bag and it is good to go. Nom 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 nom. All right, lunch number 2. For this lunch, we're doing a classic veggie and tofurkey sandwich, starting off with some hummus and then adding some sliced tomatoes. Throw on the lettuce, and this is the tofurkey that I'm using, the peppered version, but there are a ton of different flavors out there and also different brands, so use whatever you like. Now I'm slicing up some avocado. This one was perfectly ripe. I love when that happens. And then add any other toppings you like. Close it up, cut it up, and then voila, you've got your sandwich. Pack that into some kind of container so you can easily bring it for lunch. And now we're adding the fruit. For fruit, we're doing grapes today, super fun and juicy. Adding some So Delicious coconut milk blueberry yogurt. And this Love Bean chocolate spread is amazing. It's like fudge, you can eat it straight from the packet and it's delicious. And then these Mama Chia squeeze packets, just in case I'm still hungry. They are packed with chia seeds, so they're super high in omega-3 and healthy. Moving right along to lunch number 3. For this lunch, we're making Gardein sliders, and by making, I mean heating up, putting together, and putting in the lunch bin. So it's super easy to make. You can get these in the freezer aisle at many grocery stores like Whole Foods, and you simply microwave them, and then they're ready to go for lunch. I'm gonna add some strawberries for fruit, and again, we're using this handy dandy lunchbox. To get some veggies going on, I'm adding carrots to the lunchbox as well as some hummus to dip in. And then this silk soy milk, very vanilla flavor, is so delicious. You've got to try it if you haven't already. And then finally, these are Annie's fruit snacks, which are super yummy. And that completes lunch number 3. And that is it. I hope you guys found these vegan lunch ideas helpful. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite vegan lunches? Leave them down in the comments below. It's really helpful for all of us to see. We're happy to do more of these lunch ideas if you're interested, so let us know. And as always, you can find more bite-sized vegan videos, tips, recipes, guides, and so much more geared at making vegan easy over at vegan.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.